Legal alert by Deepak Miglani. Amazon India was directed to pay rupees 40,000 for cancelling confirmed order. Disclaimer: this text of the order is made available merely for information to our viewers. The text is yet to be processed, verified and authenticated on the basis of the certified copy. The content are merely indicative of the subject matter dealt with by the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Hence the editors, publishers and speaker shall not be liable for any action taken or omitted to be taken or advice rendered or accepted on the basis of this text. Facts of the case: in 2014, when Supriyo Ranjan Mahapatra, a law student, came across an offer on Amazon India website for a laptop of a certain company for rupees 190 as against the product's original price of rupees 23,499. Mahapatra placed the order for the same and also received an email confirmation of his order having been successfully placed with an assurance that the product would be delivered soon. Some hours later, he received a phone call from Amazon's customer care department saying his order stands cancelled due to pricing issues. Mahapatra said the same was a breach of specific performance of the contract, and despite several attempts to contact customer care through their helpline and email, he did not receive any response and was forced to send across a legal notice on January 17, 2015, but in vain. He then moved the District Consumer Forum, which held the company guilty of deficiency in service and allowed the complaint in part by directing it to pay compensation of rupees 10,000 and litigation cost of rupees 2,000. Mahapatra then approached the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission seeking enhancement of compensation on grounds of mental agony. He submitted that he urgently needed a laptop to complete a project, and due to Amazon's unfair trade practice, he was forced to buy another laptop. He further urged that punitive damages must be imposed on the company so it does not venture in such unlawful activities in the future. The case was dealt with under the erstwhile Consumer Protection Act 1986. Order: the Commission allowed the appeal and directed Amazon to pay rupees 30,000 for causing mental agony and harassment to Mahapatra, rupees 10,000 towards punitive damages, and rupees 5,000 towards the cost of litigation. Additionally, it was directed to pay rupees 5,000 as costs. The Commission observed, when there is advertisement made for offer, placed the opposite party, who is a reputed online shopping website, and made offer as per the materials available on record, and the complainant placed the order and same has been confirmed. The agreement is complete between the parties. Had there been cancellation before receipt of confirmation, the matter would have been considered otherwise. The Commission rejected Amazon's contention that the agreement was with a third party and that it was not privy to the contract between the student and the laptop retailer. Case details: please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.